Keeps me full for a really long time. It looks well seasoned, doesn't it? Spent a few hours bed rotting. And this is what happens every weekend. I will get veggies. I promise. I will before dinner. It's a habit thing for me. And then I spent 3 hours in bed. I just kind of lost interest midway.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
Lipstick tastes like Candyland. Sticky sweet, gummy pears. Mind if I sit on your lap? Can you handle that? A movie scene, I'm a thriller. Does my voice make you paralyzed? Can you handle that?
Just finished my workout. It's 1:35 in the afternoon, and I think this is what happens every weekend. I wake up with the intention that I'm going to work out first thing in the morning, and then somehow along with my black coffee I just get lazy. So that's what happened today, and then I spent 3 hours in bed. But anyway, I just finished my workout, and I also had my protein along with my workout, and I was planning to do a little skincare today. Want to oil my hair and stuff, and I will see you at lunch whenever that will be. It is 5 in the evening and I was super hungry, so I basically got ready and I did a little bit of skincare. I oiled my hair, and I just got ready right now. So I already put my chicken in air fryer before taking a shower, and now that my meal is prepped, this is what I'm having right now. So we have chicken breast, air fried chicken breast, and we have 2 avocado toasts. So for avocado toast, I also added onion and tomatoes today, because that's all that I have. I will get veggies. I promise. I will before dinner. And for chicken, if you see, it looks well seasoned, doesn't it? So I basically had that soy mixture for which I prepared for marinating my eggs last week. I mean this past week. So I didn't want to waste it. So I marinated chicken entirely in that. I kept it for around 2 hours, and then I cooked it. It looks really fancy and juicy. Uh, so I will have this as lunch, and since it's 5, let's call it late lunch. But let's talk about today's workout. So I think I had a lot more energy, but I woke up, but then I got a little bit lazy, so I spent a few hours bed rotting. But then I got up, I did a good workout. For workout, I think I have started lifting heavier weights. I can see some improvements there for sure. I also had my protein along with my workout because I forgot to keep chia seeds. If I don't keep chia seeds every day, then I meal prepped, and then it's like it's a habit thing for me. I just it's difficult for me to again start doing the same thing. But okay, I'll try and make sure that I keep it tonight. What else? Apart from that, I think workout wise, I did have good strength when I started my workout. But in the second paired workout, I feel like I did almost 2 circuits, but then I was like, it's already afternoon. I don't know. I feel like it wasn't lack of energy, but I just kind of lost interest midway. I don't know why that happened, but I think I did get in a 30 minutes of good workout, but I didn't really finish the second workout. Anyway, but the workout was good. I felt really great after that, and I do see huge improvements. I think numbers, I don't see a lot of improvement. I mean, I don't see that the number is decreasing on scale, but I do see improvement. My clothes fit better for sure, and energy levels have gone up, and I feel like that's the real win. And as far as food goes, I think I am cooking a lot more than I was cooking last month. Not sure, but I think I mean, whatever I can manage, whatever quick recipes I can manage, I try and cook that. Also, I am trying to meal prep now, so that my meals are a bit easier on days when I'm not at home. So I think let's keep doing that, and I will enjoy my lunch. Well, it's 5, so late lunch, but I will see you at dinner. It's 9:25 in the night, and I was hungry, so I'm having my dinner, and I have chicken breast, air fried chicken breast. It's the same. I had put 2 chicken breasts in the same seasoning, so this is the second one. I have air fried potatoes. I have salted them, and I have steamed broccoli, which again I have put salt and black pepper on. And chicken and potatoes together are a very filling meal as per me, so I really love this combination because it keeps me full for a really long time. And I got veggies, so today we have broccoli in my meal. So I'll have this for dinner now, and I will see you tomorrow.